Okay, today we're going to be looking at integers. Integers. Now, if you want to tell me what's an integer, not so bad. Well, an integer is any whole number that can be both positive, negative, and additionally can also be zero. So it's any number that can be from negative infinity to zero to positive infinity. Now what this means is negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, and 3. Carry on, carry on. Hopefully you got that. So in this video, integers are going to be very important. Right. So let's look at counting. As an exercise, I want you to count forward by 4 from negative 8. So starting at negative 8, we add a 4. We add a 4 here, negative 4. We add a 4 here, good, to 0. And if we add a 4 here, to be 4, 8, 12, and so on. Good. Hopefully that wasn't too hard for you. Now, let's look at all these numbers. Let's say I gave you 5, sorry, 5, negative 3, 0, 9, negative 7. And I told you to arrange it from the smallest to smallest to the largest. Hopefully you can see that smallest to largest. Now, the smallest number here is, it's not 0, right? It's negative 7. So negative 7, negative 3, we always start with the negative numbers, the biggest negative number. In this case, it's 7, 3, 0, then you go back to normal, which is 5, and 9. Right. I won't focus too much on this. If you guys need any example, just let me know in the comment section. Right, now I'll just look at this sheet of integers. Right, let's see if I give you an example. I said negative 7 add negative 7 and 12. Now I expect you to do this. 12 minus 7 is equal to 5. We just use the calculators for this. So I gave you another one. This time I gave you negative 12 plus 7. This will be 7 minus 12, which is 5. Good. Minus 5. Tricky. A little bit of a trick. Because there's still commutative. Right? Only thing that changes is the sign. Let's move on. Now, let's look at fraction of integers. Say negative 4 and negative 8. This is just the same thing as saying 4 plus 8 is equal to 12. but it's going to be negative since both of them are negative. Because what I did was I added a positive in both of them to give me 12. So in order to get the correct answer, since this is negative and negative, just add it to 12. Multiply to be more technical. Right. Too easy for you? Alright, let me give you a harder example. Let's say if I give you negative 6, negative 4 plus 12 divided by 3. Now, let's separate this. This should be 1, and this 2. So, add 1, which is equal to. So now I want to teach you a trick here. This is how I'm going to do this. I'm going to take the negative, multiply it by the negative times the 6 times the 4. Right? And the negative times the negative will always be a positive, and a positive times a positive will always be a positive. Similarly, a negative times a positive will be a negative, and a positive times a negative will be a negative. Do you guys see the pattern? If the signs are the same, to give you a positive answer. And if the signs are different, it must give you a negative answer. Now in this case, since the signs are the same, we have a positive. Because for us to write it, it's implied by the space. Now we have 6 times 4. 6 times 4 is 24. That's I1. I2 is 12. It's 12 divided by negative 3. For now, I won't specifically teach you how to divide. That's for the next video. But just in this case, I want you to look at this: the positive and the negative. They are positive, and even if you divide it does not matter. Just take it as multiplying, but only just for the signs. This is times 12 times 3. Positive times a negative, since the signs are the same, since the signs are different, sorry, it's a negative. So to be negative, I'm not sure you can see that. It will be a negative to 12 times 3. 12 times 3 is, no, sorry, 12 divided by 3. 12 divided by 3. Just use your calculator. 12 divided by 3 is 4. What I want you to specify is this part. Then it doesn't matter if you're dividing two numbers with different signs. Just take the signs and apply this. Right. So just negative 4 and 24. So this is equal to 24 minus 4, which is equal to 20. Alright, hopefully you guys learned something. And if you need any help or if you have any question, don't feel free to leave a comment and I'll get back to you. Have a good one.